Hello everyone, Ben 10 here with Using Script. Today I will be going over something that has been an interesting topic in our community, that is ThinkorSwim being slow or laggy. I'm sure we all experienced this before, maybe even this morning perhaps. There are a few ongoing discussions on our forum related to this topic. After digging through them, I was able to learn a few tips and tricks that could potentially improve ThinkorSwim performance. As a user of the ThinkorSwim platform, one of my favorite things to do is just test out different indicators. Even though I know I won't be using them on a daily basis, it's just fun to test out other people's work. As a result, I have a lot of unused custom scripts. One way to improve the performance of your ThinkorSwim is just to remove the unused third-party script. Luckily, in TOS, there is a separate folder that you can quickly open and perform a quick cleanup. So you would click on studies right here, edit studies, click on the drop down, go to user define. Here is a list of all the studies that you have manually imported to your ThinkorSwim. Click on the first item, scroll all the way down here, press shift, and then click on the last item. This will automatically select all the items in this folder. Oh, by the way, I'm on a Windows, so I would press shift. I'm not sure if it's different key on the Mac, so you might have to test out different keys if you're using another system. Now left click, and then you would delete. Click delete. Do you want to see? Right here I have 251 custom scripts that I have in my ThinkorSwim. Click yes. This process may take a while, so just let it run. You won't be able to perform any other actions while this is running. The program appears to be performing slowly and the report okay. Just click on continue, next studies, or apply to the chart. So you may be wondering, what if I delete an indicator that I'm using on my chart? Do not worry, ThinkorSwim will not delete any indicators that you currently have on your chart. For example, right here, I have new study 17, new study 65, and ORB_2 on my chart currently, so that will not be deleted from your platform. Click OK, and then OK. Now let's check on the folder again, user define, and now you only have 3 custom indicators left. Next, we will be switching over to the strategies tab. We'll also do the same cleanup. Look for your unused strategies under user define. Here I have all my unused strategies, and then delete. As you can see, I have 40 custom strategies, and now they're gone. Click OK. Okay, for the next trick, we are going to have to log out for ThinkorSwim. Let's go ahead and close it. Okay, let's go ahead and open it again. Before logging into your ThinkorSwim platform, click on the gear icon and then adjust the RAM setting. By default, TOS will use the lowest value, but to ensure that TOS doesn't lag, we can adjust the RAM setting. I personally use 1024. But I do know some people that use higher value. This is entirely up to you. There are a few pre-selected values. You can use 3072, 6144, and so on. Once you have that selected, click save, and then you can go ahead and log into your ThinkorSwim again. Last but not least, this trick came from a user of ours on the forum. This person contacted TOS support, and they were instructed to delete the user GUI folder in the ThinkorSwim directory. I will include a link to this post in the description of this video. Go to your desktop, left click on the ThinkorSwim icon, click on Properties. Under Shortcut, click on Open File Location. Look for the folder called User GUI. It's right here. Left click and then delete. Now let's go ahead and reopen our ThinkorSwim. According to this member, it may take a while for TOS to load at first, but it should run much faster after you log in. Okay, that is it. I hope that has been helpful to you. If your ThinkorSwim continues to lag during trading hours or even after hours, it is worth getting in touch with ThinkorSwim support. Hopefully they can help you out. It is worth checking out your computer specs as well. If the computer is too old or doesn't have enough RAM, consider making an upgrade. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.